Welcome, today I'm showing how to disable quick launch into a POCO F4. First of all, open your settings. Next up, go into additional settings. Here, choose Cancel Shortcuts option. And this block, it's our quick launch. So, for example, I want to turn off on disable our launch camera. So here we got two options, and this, if we tap one more time of our switcher, this position like gray, it's turn off this option and turn on this option too. So go back for save, and now this option it's disabled. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.